So this is a boat, guys. The boat has finally arrived. The cushions are out right now for me to travel on the highway, but this is it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All mines. Actually got the same color as my previous boat because I love the color. It's beautiful. Trolling motors. So the cushion's out right now. Give you a preview on the inside. So the cushions are out. It's a monster. So we got it in to the very edges. We got the boat in. That is crazy. It's at the very top of the garage and at the very edges of the garage door width. But man, I got no more space in this garage. Look at this. No more room in here. And the motor is just like right here. That is crazy. Look at this. It took up my entire garage. Like open the door and the only thing I see is this big monster. I gotta reorganize a lot of stuff over here. My old blow up boat. I got a training bicycle over there. Wow. But guys, I got it in. This is impressive. This is nuts.